Hey guys, it's Bird from Inside Outline, and welcome back to another Cricut Business Success Story video. I have a new Etsy shop that I want to share with you. I assume that this Etsy shop owner is using a Cricut machine or some other type of cutting machine in order to sell their decals and stickers. This Etsy shop is Stickers by Bam, and they are located in Los Angeles, California, and they have over 4,100 sales. Over here they have their items that are sectioned out. They have 86 products. And again, they have name decals, monograms, decal stickers, Christmas, and Halloween as well. So I'm just going to scroll through here and just learn a little bit more about this Etsy shop. They do have a variety of colors. I'm noticing the price margin for what they're selling their products for. A lot of personalized items. And actually, I'm just going to click on this one because it says that 4 people have it in the cart just to see what the process looks like for someone to order. So once I click on here, you can see the variety of pictures, which is really good. Um, Also tell you, about the different sizes. They are waterproof, no background. They can be applied to these different items right here. Um, and again, they're given like a size suggestions based on the type of products that someone would want to add the decal to, and they have a variety of colors as well. So moving over here on the left side, you can see the primary color. You can choose your primary color. You can also choose the length, and based on the length, the price of the product does increase or decrease. Here they can add their name, their personalization, and then I'm just going to scroll down and look at the details. Here they add, some keywords right there. The decal is measured by length, which is from left to right. Lets you know where you can apply those decals. And then just some additional information. It is high quality, a 3-year outdoor vinyl. It's removable but not reusable nor repositionable. So once they put it down, they cannot remove it. And then it also says please hand wash only. So if they're applying it to a mug, tumbler, Yeti, anything like that, they need to only hand wash. And then also they can apply it to, these list of items right here again. So very good information. They also include application instructions on how to apply it to whatever base material. Okay, so let's go back over to the Etsy shop again. Just going to scroll through. You can see all the products. Looks like they have 3 pages of products here. Have over 1,100 reviews, which is really, really good. In the reviews, you can also see some of the most recent, or you can click on the sort by over here to see what's been selling, what are some of the customers saying about different things. So yeah, be sure to go and check out. And I will say that, as you see here, there are some 1-star reviews or bad reviews. Always look at the reviews for an Etsy shop that you're reviewing, especially if you're thinking about selling the same things or some of the same things. Here is saying that it's not holographic. I think the other person said that it wasn't holographic either. So sometimes it's just the customer not understanding what holographic is. But with that being said, as an Etsy shop owner, you definitely want to reach out to customers that leave bad reviews. Sometimes you can encourage them to change, or you can offer them like a discount or a refund or something like that. So always, always, always look into those reviews as well. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down. I love reading the about sections for different Etsy shops. Again, over 4,100 sales have been on Etsy since 2020. They don't really have a bio here, which is, okay. And yeah, so that's that Etsy shop. Just going to share a little bit of information about, with you. So if you wanted to start your own Etsy shop selling vinyl decals, and it looks like these are adhesive vinyl, you can literally go on Amazon and find some adhesive vinyl that you like to use. I personally like to use Oracal 651 vinyl. There are so many different brands out there. The HTV Ront or HTV RONT, they have adhesive vinyl as well. Lots and lots and lots of different brands of adhesive vinyl out there. So you'll definitely need that. You will also need some transfer tape. I'm gonna make sure I add in some clips here as well so you can see what I'm talking about. So definitely need your adhesive vinyl. You will need your transfer tape as well. And then, whenever you ship this to a customer, definitely include those instructions on how to apply it. So essentially, if I scroll down here, where she had her instructions. Literally, you can copy and paste that into a document, print it out, include it with every single order. And then some people even include something like a popsicle stick so that they can use it as like a hard, like burnisher or something like that, so that whenever they're applying the adhesive vinyl to their surface, they have something to do it with. Most people use like a credit card or something else like that too. So, essentially, those are all the materials that you'll need to, obviously need your Cricut machine. When you're shipping, you can ship this in like a bubble wrap or some small envelope, depending on the size of the decal that the customer wants and needs. So very, very easy Cricut business to get into. All you need is that adhesive vinyl, some transfer tape, a printer to print out the shipping label, things like that. But very easy Cricut business to get into. I did not see any social media down below. A lot of times I do typically look to see if the Etsy shop has any like social media links or if they even have a website outside of Etsy. I don't see any of that here. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this Cricut business success story on this Etsy shop. If you need assistance building your own Etsy shop, I do offer that service as well. I offer one-on-one Cricut business coaching. So if you need any assistance setting up your Etsy shop or figuring out what products to sell that are going to make you the most money, definitely book a session with me. One last thing that I do want to show you though is with this Everb tool. I'm going to click right here. It says Analyze Shop. So Everb is a plugin basically that allows you to analyze different Etsy shops and things like that. So I'm just going to click on this Overview tab, and it's letting me know that approximately that Etsy shop is making about $285 a month with the things that they sell. Overall, since their Etsy shop has been up and running, they've made over $14,000, which is really good, especially because this is one of those businesses where you're not putting a whole bunch of effort into it. But if you were going to put a lot of effort into it, you can definitely increase your sales very quickly, very fast. And then here you can kind of see what their price breakdown is. So they have a lot of products that are within the $3 to $4 mark. So be sure to check out Everb. I do have a link down below to Everb. If you click on that link, you sign up for Everb. They do have a free version, but they also have a paid version as well that provides you with more information like what you see right here. So again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'm going to be making more Cricut business success story videos like this. So again, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.